In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Foxit PDF Editor. So the first way you can do this is simply by going to the typewriter over here inside the Home tab, and you can just select whatever, and you can just start typing in whatever you want. So that's the first way. However, there's also many different ways you can do this much better. So you could go to the Edit tab up top, and then here it says Add Text. So see, this is not a typewriter, it's Add Text. You can click on it, you can just basically drag out the text boxes, and you can start writing in here. So hey, this is whatever, and then by default it should open up this format panel over here. If it doesn't, simply click on the right here on this arrow, it's gonna pop it out, and then highlight your text here, and you can select and change anything like text colors. You can change the sizes of your fonts, you can change fonts, and pretty much anything in here. So that's the second way. And there, the third way, you also have the ability to actually add text wherever there's text by default inside a PDF. So here you could just go ahead and click on edit and then edit text. You can select this box over here. As you can see, there's like a rectangle around it, and you can just go ahead and add text in here. So for example, this means whatever, and of course you can go ahead and just start typing in between your text. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.